Hi, Ma'am Joanne Ranieses. Can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
Hi, hello. My name is Joanna Brusoneses. I am married. I am 42 years old and I'm living in Hingaw City, Misamis Oriental in the Philippines.
Okay, so do you have kids, ma'am?
I have three kids, one daughter and two sons. Their ages is 12, 13, and 20.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have five siblings. I am three in the family.
Alright, so can you tell me about your educational background?
Although I'm not finished my college, but I finished my high school. I graduate last 2016 to 2020.
So, do you have work experience abroad?
I'm ex-abroad from Kuwait for 3 years. My main duty is taking good care of elderly. Also, my duty there is cleaning, iron, vacuum, and taking good care of her medicine and the dietary for her food every day.
So, how old is the elderly, ma'am?
Her old is 78 years old.
Alright, is it disabled or elderly or healthy,
No,
ma'am?
she's not disabled. She is good in health, and I'm the one to taking good care for her, for maintaining good health and for her medicine.
Alright, so aside from Kuwait, ma'am, do you have any other countries
I
experience?
have experience last time also in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. My employer is from Saudi, Muslim. They have two kids. All of them are four in the family. But I'm the one cleaning their house, only cleaning their house, taking good care of their garden, uh, vacuum, washing their clothes, and prepare also sometimes for their meal.
So, how old is the children, ma'am?
Their children all 7 and 10 years old.
So, finished contract, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so aside from Kuwait and Saudi, ma'am, do you have any other countries experience?
Last time also I have experienced ex-abroad in Hong Kong, but I didn't finish my contract. But it's good.
Alright, so you did not finish your contract in Hong Kong, ma'am. So, can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities
My
in Hong
duty in
Kong?
Hong Kong is taking good care of the kids, 7 years old kid, taking good care for the duty in the house and marketing, and also for the gardening and giving her meal every day, and pitching her from school to house to school.
So, how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I describe myself as a patient and hardworking woman, and I'm a positive and uh, good for. I love children. I know how to give them activities, so we can prevent some naughty in times of naughty, and sometimes kids sometimes they
They tend to be naughty.
yeah, they tend to be naughty, and I need to be calm and patient for them.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
No, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I need to go to abroad to sustain daily needs for my kids and for their education in the future.
So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
Sometimes, mom,
Okay, so especially big dogs.
especially cat.
Alright, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my dear future employer, I assure you that my first duty for you is the safety of your family, and do all my works and maintain the quality of my works, and I I do believe that if you're doing good in your work, the employers also will give in return. So I will do my best for also for my future, for my family, and I will make sure that I will finish my contract.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am.